Assalamu alaikum. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss the course outline for the subject of advanced topic in qualitative research, which is 3 credit hours, and this course is offered by the University of Haripur Department of Education. Basically this course outline is for the PhD education's program specialization teachers education, designed by the teacher professor of University of Haripur. This course has 6 basic units. Unit number 1 is educational research. उसमें जो topics आ रहे हैं, these are concept and principles of educational research, areas of educational research, scientific research, inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning, and research paradigms. Chapter number 2, which is descriptive survey research design. उसमें डिस्क्रिप्टिव सर्वे रिसर्च की डेफिनेशन, उसके कैरेक्टर्स, स्टेप्स जो हैं वो कौन कौन से होंगे डिस्क्रिप्टिव सर्वे रिसर्च को कंडक्ट करने के लिए. देन इट्स एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च, उसमें सेम यही कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या हैं, उसके स्टेप्स क्या हैं, उसके थ्रेड्स क्या हैं और उसकी टाइप्स क्या हैं. Then chapter number 4, which is non-experimental approaches, including causal comparative research, its steps, correlational research steps, and then evaluation. Number 5 is action research, types of action research, characteristics of action research, steps, and evaluation. Now chapter number 6, which is tools of quantitative research. These are concept of quantitative research tools, questionnaires as a research tool, interview as a research tool, and test as a research tool. I am also providing the references from which this course is going to be completed.